Hello po, Sir Pao. I just want to greet you the happiest birthday. I am hoping that you and your family are doing good during this time. And I am hoping for more blessings and abundances for years to come. Take care and I hope to see you soon.
Hi,
Bye-bye.
Sir Renan! Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your special day at maraming salamat at naging magkaibigan tayong dalawa at thank you for being so generous to us. At syempre, good health sa'yo and keep safe. Hope to see
Hi,
you!
Sir Pao. Gusto ko lang po kayong batiin ng happy birthday. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Sana nag-ingat po kayo ngayon dyan sa bahay nyo. I hope you and your family are safe. I'm wishing you all the best. May God bless you and your family. And hope to see you soon po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sir Pao! I miss you! At sana matapos na tong quarantine para magkita na tayo ulit. Enjoy your birthday! And stay healthy. More birthdays to come. Mwah.
Hi Sir Pao, happy birthday. Sana happy ka ngayon, sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Pagkatapos itong quarantine to, celebrate natin yan. Kaya happy birthday, see you soon.
Hello po Sir Pao Iglesia, happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana lagi po kayo mag-iingat and sana lahat ng wishes and prayers niyo po matupad niyo. And God bless po, enjoy your day. Happy birthday po Sir Pao.
Ayun, Sir Pao, happy birthday. Ano bang masasabi ko? Yun lang, thank you. Thank you nga pala sa tiwala at pagmamahal na ibinibigay mo sa Katambay, sa amin ni Kadyo. Maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga nyo sa amin. Tsaka naway magkaroon ng isang masaya at punong-puno ng pagmamahal itong kaarawan mo na to. And napaka-social ng birthday mo ha. Pinasara mo ang buong Pilipinas. Happy birthday, Sir Pao. Sana next year wala nang lockdown na. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Happiest birthday to you, Reynan Pao, Iglesia. Grabe. Uy, enjoy mo yung birthday mo, ha. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Sana ma-celebrate na lang natin birthday mo after ng lahat ng ito. Stay safe. God bless you. Happy birthday!
Hello po sa inyo, Sir Pao, at thank you po sa pag-sponsor sa akin sa Aya Care. At happy birthday po sa inyo. At sana po masaya po kayo sa birthday ninyo. God wish you the best and mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Sana po marami pa pong birthday na dumating. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Bye-bye!